What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video. Yes guys, this is part 1 on how to become a YouTuber in 2020. Yeah man, it's simple. Most people are home, we're all doing nothing, we're watching YouTube anyway. So if you ever had the desire to become a YouTuber, now is the time. We have time, so we can get it done. Yeah guys, my goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of this month. So guys, I'm asking you to please subscribe right now. Subscribe right now. And give me a thumbs up and comment below. Back to the scheduled program. See you later guys. Yeah man, why I made this video? Because a lot of people have been hitting me up and saying to me, Teflon, how do I become a YouTuber? And I tell them all is very simple. All you need is just a few ideas, willing family members to help you out. And even if you don't have family members to help you out, you can do it yourself, because you can do a lot of interesting things. And all basically what you need, you already have it at home. As long as you have a smartphone, you can do any videos. You don't need no expensive cameras, lightings. At first, you don't really need all that stuff. All you want is a good imagination, a good vibe, and if you never thought about becoming a YouTuber, I think you should think about it, because it's simple. And you know, everybody has a passion and everybody has something interested in their life, you know? Yeah man, it's easy to get ideas. It's simple. If you cooking something interesting, you can vlog that. If you can do pranks at home, it's a lot of things that you can do. It's tons of ideas, tons of stuff to do. So guys, I'm telling you, if you never thought about it, think about it, because it's fun. It's something to do, and it's better than just sitting around eating, not doing anything. You see it? Yeah man. Yeah guys, like I said, it's very easy and it's fun. It's something to do instead of just sitting around the house not doing anything. Try it out. Become a YouTuber today. And in part 2, I'm going to show you guys how to edit. The simplest way to edit. It's very easy, because a lot of people have been asking me about that also, how to edit and how to make thumbnails. In part 2, I'll show you guys what's up. See you guys later. Peace.